Hello, I'm Chris, and I'm a chemical engineer. I work at technical department in CPC for 10 years. Our government access to zero flaring, so we need to set up a system to recover all of the flare gas. So that's why we need to have this project. Capacity is about 6,400 cubic meter per hour.
Why did you choose a hijector system?
Actually, we don't have choice because it's the lowest price for us for bid. Yeah.
So I guess it doesn't make sense for me to ask why you didn't use a liquid range compressor, or
Yeah. Because you are low risk price.
maintenance to the hijector system during the past 3 years of operation?
No, actually we don't have this experience to maintenance hijector system. Just during turnaround.
Is it easy to start and stop?
Yeah, it's easy to operate and the maintenance, so I think we're happy with this.
Would you consider that your refinery is happy with the hijector system?
Yeah, I think.
So if you could go back in time, would you choose the hijector again?
Yes, I'm sure. In the other hand, I can say if we want to set up another system for flare recovery system, we also want to choose hijector system.
Have you been able to achieve zero flaring, zero emissions after installing the system?
Yeah, for normal operating, we can achieve the zero flaring.
Would you recommend the hijector system to other refineries for flare gas recovery?
Yeah, of course.